Sa Toronto, patuloy na tinatrabaho ng syudad ang paglilinis ng mga kalsada matapos ang snowfall kamakailan. Naging oportunidad daw ito sa isang Pilipino para maglunsad ng isang grupo na naging daan para tumulong sa mga kapitbahay at makihalubilo sa komunidad ngayong winter. May report si Kisha Balatbat.
Ayusin ang paglinis ng snow. Ito ang panawagan ni Toronto Mayor Olivia Chow sa sulat na inabot niya sa City Manager at Auditor General Martes. Ayon kay Chow, unacceptable ang kasulukuyang sitwasyon ng mga sidewalk sa syudad dahil hindi pa malinis ang lahat 2 linggo matapos tumama ang snowstorm sa Toronto.
I also want to thank the good neighbors that have been shoveling snow for their neighbors, for their friends, and we thank you for caring. We thank you for helping each other out. Torontonians have each other's back. The city of Toronto must also have your back.
Kamakailan, nagtipon ng ilang residente ng Toronto para sumali sa Shovel Club, proyekto ng Soho Run Club. Sinimulan na ito ng Pilipinong si Harold Bedroso kasama ang kanyang kaibigan. Nais daw kasi nilang maging mas aktibo sa labas ng kanilang trabaho bilang video editors. Karaniwang tumatakbo sila kasamang isang maliit na grupo linggo-linggo pero hindi nila magawa ito ngayong taglamig.
Since na-miss namin tumakbo during winter season, nag-isip kami ng way to spend more time outdoors. And so we came up with the concept Shovel Club. So what a better way to be outside with some friends shoveling around the neighborhood and prepare the streets of Toronto for spring, right? So we could be able to run again.
Sa Shovel Club, nilinis nila ang mga kalsada na malapit sa kanilang opisina. Naging oportunidad din daw ito para makilala ang kanilang mga kapitbahay.
We cleared up a few of the streets, a few of the walkways. We freed a few cars that were stuck, and a few of the stores along Queen Street as well. And madami kaming na-meet na new friends, new people who were some of the owners as well in some of the stores, and very appreciative sila sa ginawa namin.
Ani Pedroso, nakakalungkot ang panahon ng winter, kaya malaking tulong ang pagsagawa ng mga pagtitipon sa panahong ito upang palakasin ang suporta para sa komunidad.
Us Filipinos are very known for finding joy in the smallest things, and I firmly believe that. We never expected shoveling snow to be as fun. So I think the best advice is to do it with friends. And you know, we learned as well that it's actually not as cold outside when you're with friends and you're having a good time.
Ikinatuwa rin nila na nagiging interesado ang mas maraming tao na sumali sa Shovel Club. Balak daw nilang ulitin ito sa susunod na snowfall. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.